Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Today's date is March 4, 2024. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. So let's get started. I'm going to take a look at the hourly chart, and you can see that the price of the dollar versus Swiss moved lower in the European session. That was helped by higher than expected CPI data coming out of Switzerland, raised the push the dollar to the downside, the Swiss franc to the upside. But note where the price found support. We found support right near the rising 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's the overlay on this hourly chart of that moving average. And we also bottom near the 200-hour moving average. That's a smoother green line right here. So those moving averages did find support and also just above the 88 level, and the price started its rotation back to the upside. When we moved back above the 200-day moving average, we started to see a little bit more of a shift to the upside here, and we've extended that rise to up near the 88.64 level before rotating back to the downside of the last few hour or so of trading. The 200-day moving average here at 0.88354 is now going to be support for this currency pair as long as the price can remain above that 200-day moving average. And we tried on Friday to get above that level, but ended up closing below that moving average on Friday. So this is the second try in, well, actually the last 2 days. On Thursday and Friday, the price moved above the 200-day moving average. But this is the latest attempt to get above that 200-day moving average and stay above that level. As the price is able to stay above that level, we'll tilt the bias more to the upside for the dollar versus Swiss. Let's take a look at the daily chart, see what that's telling us. If we look at the daily chart, you can see the 200-day moving average here moving above that level. On the top side, the 61.8% retracement of the move down from our high price that we saw in the October to the low price that we saw here in December. That level comes in at 0.88957. We're going to need to get above that level to increase the bullish bias. You can see on Friday the price moved up toward that level but found resistance sellers against it and pushed back to the downside. So be aware of that level on the top side, but on the downside we'll be watching that 200-day moving average currently at 0.8835. So there you have it, a technical look at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.